Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Ignace, Aleya, and if you are serious about video editing, then this video is something for you. I am giving an epic Black Friday discount on my masterclass. The doors are open and I'm accepting new students right now. So we've only done this class one time by now, and yeah, what are our previous students saying?
If it wasn't for this masterclass, I don't know where I would be today. I would probably be at the same level I was 2 months ago. I am now working with clients that acquire a lot more complicated work, and you can actually make pretty good money off of it if you actually know how to do it.
Signing up for this masterclass by Ignace, it's revolutionary. You always have Ignace and his professional eye and his team to help you out.
This video gives me goosebumps every single time. They were actually made by our students and I couldn't be more proud. They even recorded a video like this behind my back, so I was caught by surprise. They joined the masterclass a few months ago and they were blown away by the massive amounts of value. But what exactly do you get when you join this masterclass? Because this is not just the typical masterclass that you find on the internet. Obviously, you get access to an extensive course to become a master in Adobe After Effects, and yeah, it will be updated regularly, so you never have to buy another After Effects course again. And you'll get lifetime access. But no, that's not the best part. The best part is the community and the personal guidance that you get with it. As seen in the quick video that my students made, we're one hell of a team and everyone is constantly helping each other in the VIP Masterclass group. And because we only allow a limited amount of people, we can make sure that everyone is getting the help and guidance they need. So let's get back to the course itself. So the course, is it the same as a tutorial? Well, not exactly. By following the extensive course, you will be able to watch over my shoulders step by step as I will guide and teach you everything there is need to know to become a next level editing expert. All the essentials you need to know to become an Adobe After Effects master. You will be able to follow along and implement the techniques that I have been perfecting to the bone for over 10 years. Step by step, your skills will drastically increase with the guidance of me and my team. And I can guarantee you that because we've already seen some results. Me and my team will be there every single step of the way to help you succeed and bring you to the next level. By learning After Effects the right way, you won't be undervalued and your creativity won't be limited any longer. Now, does that mean that the next level editing masterclass is for everyone? Well, I guess not, because I can't promise you epic results overnight. The truth is that I will give you the full blueprint on how to become a next level editing expert. I will share my secrets, I will lay out my exact steps you will need to take to become a video editing expert, but it is still you who has to take those steps yourself. Even though me and my team will be there for you along the way, you will have to put in the time and follow the plan we have laid out for you. So you definitely need a little bit of passion. But if you are willing to work hard following the steps we've set forth in our masterclass, then I can guarantee you that this is the best investments you can ever make. Unlike expensive camera gear, computers, other hardware, this is something that you will be able to use for the rest of your life. It's something that doesn't decrease in value and nobody will be able to take this away from you. I'm sure you've heard this a lot before, but knowledge is power. If you put in the time and effort, your overall worth will be increased and you will have an unfair advantage over your colleagues and competitors, and you will definitely bring more value, which often results in a better salary, better payments for jobs, and increased stability, even better jobs that are more fun to do because if you know more things, you can only do those things that are advanced and other people can do the little projects, you know? And our students actually can confirm that statement.
And it is an investment because you do need to put in the time. You do need to want this. This is on you. But if you are willing to put yourself into this and just do it, you won't regret it. You won't regret it. You'll be a part of an amazing team.
So if you're serious about this and put in the work, then the sky is literally the limit, or in our case, the galaxy. Now that we have talked about that, here is what I can guarantee. This is the best and most complete program I have ever released, and I've honestly never given a discount on my masterclass. The previous students that joined paid the full price and they got an insane amount of value of it. They even say they would do it again in a heartbeat.
Best on the market. I don't regret a single cent, and I do it again. Definitely.
And that was without a Black Friday discount that I have ready for you now. Can you imagine? I will be sharing every last secret and I'll show you step by step on how to become a next level editing expert. And with my method, you don't need to have any prior experience. You don't need to have an advanced skill set and you certainly don't need to feel overwhelmed. I honestly believe that this is the best course for After Effects that you will find anywhere, and it's 100% up to date, in-depth and unique. As said, I have been perfecting this to the bone and I know you will get a ton of value out of this. This masterclass is not a bunch of abstract and complex theory, but rather a field guide that shows you step by step how to become a next level editing expert. And I truly believe that if there is any program that is going to get you there to become a next level editing expert, then it's going to be this one. Certainly in combination with the epic community you will get access to and the bonuses that I have ready for you to make even better videos. So after my masterclass closed in September, I got a lot of questions of people that missed the launch and they really wanted to join in, and unfortunately I had to let them down. When I opened the doors to this masterclass, the seats are limited. I have to make sure that I can offer the best possible guidance to my students. But because I have received so many questions via email and social media about reopening the masterclass, and because I like an epic Black Friday deal myself, I decided to do it. I didn't want to disappoint my audience and I decided to put everything together to open the doors to my next level editing masterclass. Just one more time. We want to give everyone that is serious the exact blueprint on how to become a next level editing expert to increase their creativity, their skill and their value. So that's why my team and I are going to be there for guidance every single step of the way. I'm sure you're wondering what's included exactly. Actually, it's a lot. And if you want to know the exact details, you should definitely check out the link in the description, but it includes live calls, a private VIP masterclass group, and a lot of modules to help you become an After Effects expert. And believe me, this will be truly something you have never seen before. No abstract theory, it gets straight to the point and shows you exactly which steps you have to take to become a next level editing expert, from beginning to end. This is a field guide that's going to reveal every single secret, every technique, and every strategy that's been working for me and has worked for a lot of other people in the past. And you will be able to be a part of this amazing community that we have built, and we call it our family. That said, I also will be giving you a bunch of free bonuses worth over $1,900 as a welcome gift. If you know anything about me, then you know that I like to over-deliver and give as much possible value. So just because I care so deeply about the results of my students, the people that have been supporting me for all these years, and it's my duty to help them. Achieving their goals is exactly why I'm also giving away all these free bonuses with a total value over $1,900 when you join this masterclass. Okay, if this doesn't set you up for success, I'm not sure what will, but I'm literally giving you all the tools you will need to become a next level editing expert, and with a really epic discount. So if you're serious about increasing your skills and your value, this is literally the best offer you're going to get. I even believe that the free bonuses alone have the opportunity to transform your life. You will have everything that you need to succeed at becoming a next level editing expert without feeling overwhelmed. This will literally be the fastest way for you to reach success, as I have perfected my methods to the bone for more than 10 years. If I could do it again, I would follow my own course. I mean, I've been coming from pretty far. Hello, I'm Ignace Aleya from ToleratedCinematics.com, and today I will be showing you 10 advanced green screen tips to succeed your shoot at a green screen studio. It's also not for nothing that hundreds of thousands of people are following me for my guidance in next level video editing. That should say something, right? And I'm super grateful for that, by the way. So if you are serious about becoming a next level editing expert to increase your value, skills, and unlock full creativity, then you only have one more thing to do. Sign up for my masterclass today for a one-time payment of $277. And if you don't have the money saved up right now, you can still hop on board for 6 easy installments of just $59. And I promise that this will be one of the best investments you can make in yourself. Remember that this is something nobody will be able to take away from you. It's an investment into your future, into your skills and creativity. This will hugely increase your overall worth. All I need from you is to click on the button underneath this video and sign up for my next level editing masterclass. You will be asked to choose your desired payment option and fill out the form. You can pay by credit card or via PayPal, and if you feel that this is right for you, click on the button under this video. Sign up for the next level editing masterclass and get instant access to more than $1,900 worth of free bonuses. Also, if you are not able to pay via credit card or PayPal, or there is another payment method that you need, just shoot me a quick message on hello@creatorgalaxy.com and I'll see what I can do for you. Now, here's what's going to happen. As soon as you've signed up for my next level masterclass, you will get instant access to the member area where you will be able to set up your own username and password. And of course, you will also receive your $1,900 worth of free products instantly. I'll also send you an onboarding email with all the access details and links, and as soon as that's done, you will be added to our secret Discord mastermind group, where you will be able to get an instant connection with me and the team, and you will also be able to pick up a bunch of useful tips and tricks of the other team members that are serious about next level editing. That's where the fun part actually really starts. You will have access to an epic community of like-minded people who all have the same vision and goal as you, to become a next level editing expert. And we will have some fun along the way. In total, you will get access to over 39 training videos inside the Next Level Editing Masterclass, and this is not even counting the bonuses like the included Premiere Pro crash course. You will also be able to access these videos 24/7 from your members area, and don't worry, everything is broken down into small, bite-sized chunks so you will never feel overwhelmed with what we've got for you. We've exactly designed it so that you will need to know exactly what you have to do. Because no one is really able to do it all at once, and we've divided our program in different weeks where you will get the exact steps you need to take to become a next level editing expert. Do you have what it takes? Are you willing to put in the work and increase your value? Click the button underneath this video and sign up for my next level editing masterclass, plus the awesome bonuses worth over $1,900. Crazy. Now that you and I both know that there's a lot of interest in my masterclass, and that's exactly why I need you to pay attention to this very carefully. Time is of the essence here, and as much as I'd like to help everyone to become a next level editing expert, that's just not very realistic, as I have to be able to guide my students and give them a personal experience. That said, I simply cannot accept more than 100 students, and still provide them with the help and support that they need, in order to get the results that they deserve with the next level editing method. I like to keep my courses small and intimate so I can make sure that everyone gets the results. So 100 students, that's where I have to draw the line. The course is going to start soon, which means time is of the essence, and once the countdown time of this page hits 0, the registrations will close and the course will start in a few days later. I might sell out much earlier because of the extremely limited seats and the high demand at the moment. There are thousands of people already on the early bird waitlist, especially joined to actually join our masterclass. So thousands of people on my social media platforms who have been waiting for this course to launch. So if you are truly interested in becoming a next level editing expert, you will have to act as soon as possible before anyone else gets your spot and transforms their life with the next level editing method. And in case you're wondering, spots are granted on a first come first served basis. So be quick. If you feel that this is right for you, click the button underneath this video and sign up for my next level editing masterclass and get over $1,900 worth of free bonuses, and I'll see you inside of the class.
Hi everyone, I am one of the students of the Next Level Editing Masterclass, and I'll be showing you how to, how I do my sky replacements, which by the way, I've all learned from the masterclass. The minute I said hi, because we have a Discord group, the minute I joined and said hi to everyone, they were all so welcoming and they made me feel like I belonged there. So it was super nice talking to everyone.
There is always someone to help you. There is some really golden information which Ignace sir has got for you and all of us, and I really benefited from the class. If I would not have joined this masterclass, I don't know, I would never have learned so many things, such amazing things which I never knew about.
Because if you want to go next level, you need to work, yeah.
Hello, my name is Ignace. I'm 13 years old and I've always loved video games. I didn't know that it was possible to get so much knowledge in such a short period of time. I guarantee you, this will be the best buy in your whole life.
The group I was joining in were not only other people doing tutorials. They were people which I can talk with, analyze with, have fun with. And after 1 month we were no longer just girls and guys doing some random After Effects stuff. We connected each other to one big family. By entering the masterclass, you're not just paying for another tutorial. You get the chance to be part of a great and creative community which is helpful, funny and eager enough to grow by every project they post. You get instant feedback to your work and also have the chance to discuss your project in detail. You will raise your skill level from 0 to hero in no time, get access to our great community and have the chance to be part of it. No matter who you are, in the end, you will be a creator. Do not hide behind your PC. Step in front of it. Introduce yourself. Connect with us. Be part of us. See you in the masterclass.
Until then,
Create epic videos.